All right, let's get right into it. We're talking about a change that isn't some far-off futuristic thing. It's happening right now. And honestly, it's about to completely wipe out the last 20 years of hotel marketing as you know it. Think of this less as a forecast and more as a survival guide for what's coming. You know, for the last 20 years, it's been a constant battle, right? A war for clicks, for that top spot on Google. You fought it with SEO, with keyword bids, with nonstop optimization. Well, I'm here to tell you, that war is over. And you didn't win. A totally new game has just started. And the old rulebook, it's useless now. So, here's the big shift. We are moving from an age of searching to an age of doing. Think about it. For years, you'd search, get a list of links, and then you had to do all the work. That's ending. Now, AI agents are going to take your goals and just get them done. This isn't a small tweak. This changes absolutely everything. And let's be super clear about what we're talking about here, because it's a huge leap. This is not your parents' chatbot. You know the ones, those clunky, frustrating things that could barely tell you the pool hours before needing a human handoff. No, this new agentic AI is something else entirely. It's smart. It's autonomous. It can actually understand a complicated request, figure out how to navigate all the necessary systems, and complete a transaction, all by itself. So what is Agentic AI, really? Let's break it down. Basically, it's an AI that you can give a big, general goal to. It then figures out all the little steps needed to achieve that goal, and then it just does them. It's the difference between someone giving you directions and someone just driving you there. And that right there, that's the heart of this entire revolution. This really hits home when you see it in practice. The old way, you'd type "show me hotels in Madrid" into a search bar, and what'd you get? A giant to-do list of links to click. The work was just beginning. The new way, you just talk to your agent. Hey, book me a hotel in Madrid for Tuesday. I need a gym, make sure it's near my office, and keep it under 200 euros. The agent doesn't hand you a list. It hands you a booking confirmation. The work is just done. And what this all leads to is, well, it's a profound change in thinking. The act of booking a hotel is becoming a utility. It's like flipping a light switch. It's just a simple, automated task that happens in the background. It's no longer the big marketing finish line we've all been chasing for decades. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's a pretty bold claim, but don't just take it from me. Let's ask a different question. What do the actual creators of this AI think about something like booking a hotel? What's their endgame here? Well, here's your answer. This is a direct quote from Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. Let that sink in. He says making things like hotel booking a simple utility is an important thing to do for the world. He doesn't see it as a product to sell you, he sees it as a problem to solve, a point of friction to be eliminated. And that mindset, that has absolutely massive implications for everyone in this business. So let's unpack that. Two huge things to take away from his perspective. First, all the annoying stuff about booking, filling out forms, clicking through pages, that just vanishes. The AI does it, it's invisible. But second, and this is the big one, this suggests they're not trying to become the next giant, high-commissioned OTA. They might be more interested in just providing a service, which could completely upend the entire economic model of online travel. Okay, so if the old game of clicks and bids is over, what's the new game? How on earth do you win when these AI agents are the new gatekeepers? Well, it all boils down to one simple, powerful concept: trust. Think about it like this. The old model was pure pay to play. Whoever had the biggest ad budget, well, they usually won. They got the top spot. The new model is completely different. It's all about unbiased recommendations. The AI's only job is to make its user happy, not the advertiser. So it's going to find the best possible match for what that person asked for. Your visibility is now based on your merit, not your marketing spend. So what does an AI agent actually care about? It couldn't care less about your flowery marketing copy. Experience true luxury. That's just noise. What it wants is hard, structured data. Facts. Things like 400 thread count sheets, we have a 24-hour concierge, yes, we offer vegan breakfast. The more specific, the more factual, the more machine-readable your information is, the more that agent is going to trust you and recommend you. And this means our whole playbook for getting found online has to change. For 2 decades, it was all about SEO, search engine optimization. We were writing for humans who were using Google. But now, welcome to the era of AEO, answer engine optimization. Now, we have to write for the AI agents that are helping those humans. Remember the billboard effect? The idea was just to be everywhere. Get listed on every OTA you could find, hoping that sheer volume would create visibility. Well, that's being replaced by what we can call the data effect. Now, the value comes from having incredibly clean, structured, and accurate data that an AI can understand. It's not about volume anymore, it's about accuracy. Okay, this brings us to the most critical part of this whole conversation. I want to be really clear. This is not about some 5-year plan to future-proof your business. This is about survival. Right now, over the next 18 months. The choice is stark. You either adapt or you risk becoming totally invisible. And if you're wondering why this change is coming so fast and so hard, just look at this number, 38. That's the average number of websites someone visits just to book a trip. 38. That is an absolutely insane amount of work and friction. And Agentic AI, its entire purpose is to delete that number, to take that whole messy process and shrink it down to one simple conversation. All right, so what can you actually do about this? Here's a 3-step action plan. Number 1, audit your tech stack. Right now, if your systems are locked down and don't talk to other systems through APIs, you might as well be invisible. Number 2, audit your content. Start thinking like an AI. Is your data organized? Is it factual? Does it answer direct questions? And number 3, keep your eyes open. You have to monitor this space relentlessly. Things are changing in months, not years. What seems like a weird experiment today will be the industry standard before you know it. But let's just pull back for a second. It's easy to get lost in all the tech talk, but the real goal here isn't just to have fancier artificial intelligence. It's about enabling better human connection. By letting the machines handle all the boring transactional stuff, we free up actual people to focus on what hospitality is all about, that personal touch, that amazing guest experience. So, I'll leave you with this one final thought. In the very near future, a potential guest's personal AI is going to query the internet about your hotel. It's going to ask for hard facts about your rooms, your amenities, your policies. And in that critical moment, is it going to find a clear, detailed, trustworthy answer that gets you the booking, or is it just going to hear silence?